Hi everybody, good afternoon. So today I'm very excited. I'm going to do my Boxy charm review, but what I'm also going to do is give away the things I've been saving from previous Boxy charms in this video. So I have 8 items in front of me that are all going to go into one big giveaway. So like normal rules that I do, leave a comment down below with which product you're most excited to receive, and also some way of me contacting you, whether it's Instagram, an email address, Twitter, email, I don't know, anything, whatever way you want to be contacted. And then I will pick a random comment, and that's when this giveaway will go out. I will leave this giveaway open. I'll leave it open until the 6th. So on May 7th, I will be announcing who the winner is. Then I will be mailing it to you as soon as I get your contact information. But let me go over what is going to be in the giveaway. First, we have these facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. It's a exfoliant and toner and a brightener. This retails for $17. Then I have this makeup removing cream that is $34. It's a makeup removing balm. And then I have this really cute eyeshadow palette that I've received in one of my boxes. Eyeshadow was $27. I have this veggie mask and this Dr. Brandt mask. These are both going in here. I have this lip gloss. I know in my video I said I wasn't going to keep it, but somebody had commented and said this lip gloss is actually really good. So I decided to keep it and put it in the giveaway. I also have this Intense Repairing Hair Mask that is in the scent Almond Honey. I have this mascara that is supposed to help your eyelashes grow. And then I have a set of Luxie Beauty Blender sponges. So I've kept retail total of all these items. So these 8 items retail to $244, which I'm so excited. So one person is gonna win all of these things. So like I said, just leave a comment down below of what product you're most excited about and a way for me to contact you. And if you win and I contact you and you don't respond to me within a week, I will pick another winner. As well as this isn't going to be open internationally. International shipping is very, very expensive right now. So like I've said in other videos, I'm just not able to do that at the moment, but as soon as I can, I will be opening it internationally. But right now it's just US and Canada. So yeah, I'm super excited to be giving all this stuff away. I've been saving it up from the last 3 boxes. So let's get into the April box. Yeah. So let me open my Boxy charm website, because I know they probably didn't give me a card like they did not last month. And here's my Boxy charm box. Oh, there is a card. Oh, there's 2 cards. Oh, makeup eraser. All makeup, erase all makeup with just water. Oh, I wonder if this is in here. I've been reading or seeing about this. It's like a towel that just takes off all your makeup. Misguided cute clothes seek wearers. What is this? Oh, this is what this is. So this is a card for April. That's what it came with. And it's got like a little ad in there too. Okay, so let me open this. Oh, I got a giant Benefit Porefessional. I got the big one, and I've used this many times before and I do like it. I just have the Tatcha pore filling cream at this moment. That's why I don't have this one. It says the Benefit Cosmetics Face Primer retails for $32. So that was that. Oh, this one already came out. So it's another set of sponges. It says Beauty Sponges by Hank and Henry. It's got this cute little owl on it, and they're kind of like a weird pyramid with like a square bottom, which is interesting. It's exclusive twin pack for Boxy Charm, and it says that retails for $20. And this is gel paint, electric pink. Oh, is this eyeliner? Ooh, the brand is called Illuminati. Comes in this little baggie here. It says gel paint electric blue and gel paint electric pink. So there's like basic black pens. Oh, it's a pencil tip, because it said, what does it say on here? It says gel paint. I thought for sure it was going to be like a gel stick. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't have any colored eyeliners, which I really wanted some. There's the pink and the blue, and this retails for $42. Ooh, that's a lot for eyeliner. It says electrify your look with this gel paint in electric pink and electric blue. Wing it out for a dramatic look or a pop of color in the inner corners of your eyes for a bold look. Okay, let's put the pink one on. And I can just test it right now to see if I'm allergic to it. The color payoff is really good. It's super bright. I mean, I usually put like the Jeffree Star liquid lips in my lower lash line, so putting an actual pencil feels really weird. It works really well. There's a lot of color payoff. It's gliding on really smoothly. It is super bright, as you can see here. Cool. I would be kind of concerned if I do my upper eyelid, because I have really oily eyelids, that it would smudge and get everywhere. But if I use the P. Louise, it might not do that. Okay, there's the blue eyeliner. It's more of like the pink is very pink. It's like a hot pink, but the blue is more of like, I would say like a royal blue or like a navy blue. It's a little darker, not as vibrant, but I'm super excited. I really wanted some colored eyeliner pencils, and here they are. Woot! Okay, here's the next thing. Oh, it's Lavish, and it's a set of 5 brushes. This is really cute. They're rainbow themed. Everybody always needs more brushes. Ooh, I could totally use this little brush too. So it says Lavish 5-piece neon brush collection, a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve everyday or a dramatic look. And it says it retails for $29.99. So it comes with these 5 brushes. This is more of like a fluffy kind of like to smoke things out brush. That's what I would use this for. It's really cute. It's like a mauve-y kind of pink. Oh, it says tapered blending brush. This one, really cute. This is like a detail brush. Yeah, pencil brush, which I need one of these whenever I'm doing those like crazy eyeshadow shapes. Like this would help so much. And this is like a packing brush. Eye shading brush is what this blue one is. And then obviously the spoolie with the angled brush is for your eyebrows. And then this really teeny tiny one is for eyeliner, fine liner, which my magnetic eyelashes, they are the brush that you have to dip it in to get it, the magnetic like eyeliner out of, is basically falling apart. So this will be really good when I decide to put eyelashes on. I could pull that brush out and kind of paint it on here and then use this instead of the other one. So I'm super excited about these. I'm always missing some brushes. And then we got some Elemis Superfood Cica. I don't know what this says. Calm Cleansing Foam. It's a calming micellar cleanser. Ooh, I don't have a cleanser. Defined by nature, led by science. It says this product retails for $32, and it's just a little cleanser. It's got a cute little pump for the foaming action. I do have a ton of moisturizers and toners, but I don't have a cleanser, so that's awesome. And that's the bottom of my box. So why did they put this makeup eraser thing in here? Erase all makeup with just water. Antibacterial, blah, blah, blah. I really wanted one of these. Hi, Charmer. Are you ready to join the movement? We can't wait for you to try the original makeup eraser. Save 20% off your purchase. Oh, use the code Boxy20. So this says it's valid from April 1st to May 8th. So if you guys want to go to makeuperaser.com, use code Boxy20, then you can get 20% off a makeup erasing wipe. Maybe I'll buy one or two and then I can do another giveaway with that, because I've heard really good things about this makeup removing towel. Let's see what the total of this box came to. $29.99 and $42. So this box came to $155.99, which I think is it's probably the lowest amount of box I've got in all 4 months that I've been getting these boxes, so that's pretty good. But this is all stuff that I will definitely be using. Super excited that this video is gonna have the giveaway of all the other products. Like I said in the beginning, please leave a comment with which product you're super excited to receive and some form of way for me to contact you. The contest will end May 6th at 10 a.m. like all the other ones do. It's not open internationally, only to US and Canada. And on the 7th, when my normal Thursday video comes live, I will be announcing the winner then. And just as a refresher, it's 2 face masks, this lip gloss, this hair mask, mascara, this makeup removing balm, these toning pads, which I've heard really good things about. Oh, I can't hold all the stuff. These sponges, and this eyeshadow palette. So all of that will be going to the winner. Good luck to all of you guys. I hope you guys are staying healthy and sending you lots of love. I only want to be sending love out into the world, so accept my love to you. And I'm just so excited to be able to be giving such a big lot away, and I'll have to start saving some more stuff for the next big giveaway. But yeah, I hope you guys have amazing weekend or the rest of your week. Stay healthy, eat your veggies. I love you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.